Hi guys, today I am going to show you an easy way to program Arduino using MBlock software. First, we need to download the software. Just open the Google and search MBlock download. Then go to the MBlock web page. Just select your OS and download will be start automatically. After download and install the software, you will get this icon on your desktop. Now click the icon and open the software. After you open the software, interface will be like this. The basic interface for coding Smart Robot. We are going to program Arduino, so we need to make Arduino as our current device. This MBlock software has support many programmable devices: Arduino Mega, Arduino Uno, and also Microbit. Today I am going to show you how to program Arduino Mega. So select the Arduino Mega and click OK. Then the interface will be changed like this. We can see different kind of blocks here, such as digital ports, analog ports, servo outputs. Later I will show you how to use these all blocks one by one. Okay, let's make a sample program, which is LED blink. Click the event and drag and drop this when Arduino Mega starts a block. Now click on the control and drag and drop this forever block, which means your program will run continuously. Now we are going to turn on our digital output. So this time I will connect my LED with output pin 13. Now I need to turn on my light for 1 second. I will add 1 second delay time. After that 1 second delay time, I need to turn off my LED again. After turn off the LED, I need to wait for 1 second again. Congratulations, you have already made your first program. Let's upload this program into our Arduino Mega. Click the connect. Select the port which Arduino has connected. Now click the upload button. Now you can see LED on and off continuously. Try different value for the time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming soon.